Who was elected as the President of the Constituent Assembly of India in 1946? Rajendra Prasad. Who assassinated Mahatma Gandhi? Nathuram Godse. Which viceroy of India was assassinated by Sher Ali Afridi? Lord Mayo. Who was the founder of the Swatantra Party? C. Rajagopalachari. Who is known as the father of modern India? Raja Ram Mohan Roy. Where did Jawaharlal Nehru hoist the flag of India on 31 December 1929? Lahore. Govind Ballabh Pant was the first Chief Minister of which Indian state? Uttar Pradesh. Who became the first Deputy Prime Minister of India? Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel. Who popularized the slogan Satyameva Jayate? Madan Mohan Malaviya. Who was the President of the Indian National Congress at the time of independence? J.B. Kripalani. Which roundtable conference in London was attended by Mahatma Gandhi? Second. Who is the author of the book India Divided? Rajendra Prasad.